नमस्कार. आम्ही हांगासर कॅज्यू फेस्टाक जमल्यात. हांगा एक स्टॉल लायले आसा आणि एक या नावाचे आणि इन्फ्युज्ड फेणी म्हणून थंय बरयल्ले आसा. पळोवया इन्फ्युज्ड फेणी याच्या बाबतीत. हॅलो
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. तुमचे नाव सांगशात?
कार्लाइल गोम्स आणि एक पार्टनर आसा.
ओके, तुम्ही गोयचेच?
गोंयचेच.
ओके, ग्रेट. आणि
साश्टीकार.
साश्टीकार. ओ वाव. ओके, इन्फ्युज्ड फेणी किते का तशे?
So infused feni, I'll speak in English, basically is cashew feni. We do a natural infusion process. So we have natural ingredients like our lime zest for the lemon, Goan chilies for the chili, and honey and cinnamon for the honey cinnamon. So that is the infusion process. It's about 20 to 25 days of infusion, after which we filter and we get the product. So that is the product. We are Goa's first brand of infused feni. If you haven't tried it, you must try it.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And how do you all prepare all of these things?
So we have a factory in Perne.
Okay.
We source the distilled feni. We don't distill our own feni. The preparation, everything after the distillation is Aniek's magic. So the infusion, the filtering, the bottling, the packaging, all of it is ours. And we are available in stores across Goa. So you can definitely get it over there as well.
तुम्ही आणि एक हे नाव कशे तुमका सुचले?
Actually it was my wife's idea. We were sitting and drinking some cocktails, deciding that we were going to make a product out of this. And then the thought was that what's going to be the name of the brand? And what we immediately understood while we were tasting the product as well is when you go into any bar, when you go into any restaurant, when you go into any place across Goa, no one says repeat. No one says maka di. No one says enough. No one says done. Everyone raises their hand and says
Aniek. Okay.
That's how the brand, that's how the name, that's how the product. And when you drink a drink, you're definitely going to be making sure to say
Aniek.
Aniek.
Yes, definitely.
That's the way.
आणि कॅज्यू फेस्टा विषयी तुमका कशे कळले? That you all came over here, you all set this all up.
So we were part of the fest right from the start. Even last year as well, we were one of the major stakeholders. So because of that, we definitely came on board. It's an amazing festival. It's so niche, right? Every other festival only is there for the entertainment, but this takes Goa's product and makes a big show out of it, and it's amazing. So that's the way we look at it.
That's really great. All the best to you.
Thanks so much.
Keep doing great.
Lovely. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.
So आणि एक तुम्ही येवपाकूच जाय आणि म्हणपाकूच जाय आणि एक. ओके?